number one problem that we see at Star Air with air conditioning is that a lot of times they'll blow, but they won't cool. And so whenever this happens, a lot of times it's just that the system is dirty. So you can call Star Air, we'll come out and we'll clean the outside system, the outside condenser. We'll also take and clean the inside furnace or air handler, depending on which one you have. And after that, it should be able to cool. If not, then we'll top it off with Freon and you should be good to go for the summer months.